Thanks for interesting to know about what is Clickfunnels Bridge Page? Exactly what is Clickfunnels Bridge Page? As I mentioned before, Clickfunnels Bridge Page is the best sales funnels and marketing funnels software that exist on the market. What makes Clickfunnels special is the fact that provides you every little thing you have to market, sell, and deliver your products online. A standard funnel will practically use an opt-in web page and email autoresponder like Clickfunnels Bridge Page. Click the link below in this video for more updates. In addition to an extra sales page with some content and an order bump, potentially adhered to by added material, a subscription website, and so on. Before you would need to use different platforms and solutions to accomplish the same effect. Program and develop a website, hire a hosting service, have an autoresponder service, find a membership site, software application, discover A/B split testing software, and much more. But Clickfunnels covers all those different things all in one in its software. Not only you are saving a ton of money by not having to purchase all the required products and services to start your online service. However, you avoid spending the time, energy and stress that involves setting everything up. Instead of that, you focus on what's truly important in your business, your marketing. Clickfunnels Bridge Page comes with a complimentary 14-day trial, so you can try the software and see how powerful it is to your business. Thanks for watching this video.